Hello and welcome to this video. This video is about why waiting for website traffic is killing your results, and it's about a common beginner mistake. So if you're waiting for website traffic to show up, that's exactly why nothing is happening. That's one of the biggest beginner mistakes that I see. So a quick favor, if you like this video, watch it to the end. Hit like, subscribe, drop a comment, it helps my channel grow and gets this in front of more people that need it. My name is Seeley Clark. I'll be your tour guide tonight on this video. So people build something, a website, a page, an offer, and then they wait. So they expect traffic to come from posting once or sharing a link here and there, but that's not how website traffic works. Traffic doesn't show up because something exists. This is not the field of dreams. Just because you build it doesn't mean they'll necessarily come just because of the fact you built it. People show up, fresh eyeballs show up because something is happening repeatedly, and that's the point that most beginners never get to. You post once, nothing happens. Then you try something else, nothing happens again. So basically for a lot of beginners, it feels like you're starting over, okay? No consistency, no visibility, no progress. You always feel like you're stuck at ground zero. That's when you start to get a little pissed, okay? Because it feels like you're doing something, but you're not getting anything back in return. Now, I know that can be frustrating. I've done it myself. Back when I was a beginner, you may be watching this video right now and having an aha moment and going, oh, that's me. So, and honestly, it gets in your head. It's real easy when you have that happen, when you do that being a beginner, to start thinking something's wrong with you, or something's wrong with your setup, or something's wrong with your offer. But the real issue I found is much simpler. You're waiting for website traffic instead of creating it. Just because you do something once on a platform and cut it loose doesn't mean you're creating website traffic. That's the shift. Traffic is not something you sit on your hands and wait for. It's something you generate, and you learn how to generate with the right platforms, with the right tools. You need people seeing what you're doing consistently every single day. And once that happens, now your stuff can actually start working. You get your clicks, you see what's working, what's getting eyeballs, and you can adjust accordingly. Also, important mind shift that happens when that occurs is you know your efforts are actually leading you somewhere in the right direction. But if none of that happens, if you're a one-and-done poster and you think website traffic is going to magically avalanche in the door because you did something once, that's not how it goes. So in order to get eyeballs to your website, to create your traffic, you can keep it simple. So I don't try and do everything at once. Don't try to do a million platforms at once or 10 different strategies. I focus on one thing, and in my opinion, so should you, and that's making sure there is consistent visibility to my offer or offers every single day. And that's the foundation of my entire traffic strategy. And that's where I found something like this platform, Daily Ads, to be super valuable, and that's where it fits in. It gives you a way to start generating website traffic without straining your brain, without overthinking it. So you're not sitting there doing, running on the frustration hamster wheel. You're actually creating movement. Now, what am I speaking about? Well, Daily Ads in particular, number one, free to join. You can go in here on the left-hand side, look around. There are functionalities for free members that will get you traffic for things you're already a part of. There's many popular programs in here that a lot of online marketers, network marketers, and other people are part of just by being in the online space. So most likely, chances are, as a free member, you will have advertising benefits that will get rotated in the Daily Ads platform. And that's not even counting the bronze membership, which is $10 a month, silver membership, which is $27 a month. They have another membership coming up soon, but that don't matter. What I'm saying is whatever level you're at or choose to be at, this can help you. And you can have traffic running for you 24/7, 365, either in offers you're already on as a free member, offers you're already in, as a free member, you can put them in here and cut them loose. If you choose to upgrade, there are more ways to get traffic 24/7, 365 to your offers, and you'll get a baseline of traffic and start seeing results. Even if they're small at first, you will know, hey, this is real. And from there, you can build and scale your business or offers. So if you feel stuck or like your website or offer just isn't getting any traffic, ask yourself, am I just sitting there doing something once and waiting for website traffic to show up? Or am I creating something every single day by getting a good platform and getting evergreen traffic? So if you want to start fixing the one and done, hurry up and wait mentality, and you think daily ads can be valuable for you, go ahead and click the link in the description of this video and join. Like I said, get in there as a free member, poke around to see what's in it for you. So again, my name is Seeley Clark. Thank you for joining me on this video. If this video helped you, don't be afraid to hit like, subscribe to my channel, share this with someone else who needs it, and tap on that bell icon so you don't miss any further videos. Till we speak again, remember, keep it simple, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.